Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to record a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is Coinbase Wallet. So to get started, Coinbase Wallet is your personal secure digital wallet for holding cryptocurrencies and exploring the world of decentralized app, which is the app like NFTs and Web3 games, unlike keeping crypto on an exchange. With this self-custodian wallet, you can control your private keys, giving you ultimate security but also ultimate responsibility. It supports user-friendly, supporting almost every cryptos and network imaginable, and it integrates smoothly if you already use the Coinbase exchange. Plus new features like key phrase, your passkey rather, the glassless transaction, and a bundled everything app experience, and make it even easier to navigate and the crypto space. However, remember that your security is entirely in your hands. If you lost your recovery phrase, your crypto is gone forever. So, as Coinbase can't retrieve it for you, while the wallet itself is free, you will still pay a standard network fee for transaction. And in conclusion, if you're looking for an easy to use powerful wallet to manage your diverse crypto portfolios and dive into Web3, you are comfortable taking a full responsibility of your asset security, Coinbase Wallet is a strong contender for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.